these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. We have some self-raising flour, egg, banana, mango, strawberries. We have some peach slices, icing sugar, granulated sugar, oranges, and I think mango, if I didn't mention that already. I'm using 2 cereal bowls, and in one bowl I've put my self-raising flour, and in the other bowl I've put my granulated sugar, and I'm going to be mixing those 2 ingredients together. So yeah, expect a lot of content like this as well. I'm going to be sharing more quick and easy breakfast ideas with you, and little and fast recipes that are affordable and simple to make. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and like, comment and share. If you are a food lover, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.